Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comment section and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification. And also do share my videos with your friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called change the drishti, angle of vision. Okay. So this topic. And in our today's video, I'm going to cover the concept called glory of satsanga. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, this is 61 number video and the topic is glory of satsanga. So let us see what Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. The glory of satsanga or association with the wise saint, yoginis, sannyasis, and mahatmas is indescribable. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling that the glory of satsanga is basically getting associated with wise saint, yoginis, sannyasis. This is indescribable, means this much benefit are there even we cannot describe. Even Swami Sivananda ji said that even I cannot describe, there are so many benefit in this. The glory and the power of satsanga is described in various way in Bhagavata, the Ramayana and other scripture. So here Swami Sivanandaji says that the glory of satsanga is described in our very many scripture like Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavata and many more, right? So here Sri Shankara says, right, Satsangatve nisa nisangatam nisangatam niro mahaftam niro bhavatam nischalavatam and nischalavatam jivana muk, friends. Okay. So there is an explanation given to this. One get dispassion or vairagya by association with wise people. So here Swami Sivananda is telling a person is going to get vairagya. So his knowledge is going to increase by getting associated with the wise people. The state of nirmohatva or freedom from moha, delusion, is introduced in developing vairagya. So we are going to get free from the moha, that is illusion, by only developing vairagya. Through vairagya only we can get free through the feelings of illusion, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. By acquiring nirmohatva, the mind becomes quite steady. So here Swami Sivananda is telling by acquiring nirmohatva, our mind becomes steady, cool, and we can take proper decision, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. When the mind is absorbed, one get jivan mukta, mukti or liberation. So here Swami Sivananda is telling when the mind of a person is absorbed, he or she can easily get the liberation, that is jivana mukti. Even a moment's company with a wise people is quite sufficient to overhaul the vicious sanskara of worldly minded people. So here Swami Sivananda is telling even a moments of companies with wise people is quite sufficient to overhaul the various sanskara of the worldly people, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. The magnetic aura, the spiritual vibration and the powerful thought current of developed, adapt and produce the tremendous influence on the mind of the worldling. So here friends, Swami Sivananda is telling even if we meet with spiritual people, because their spiritual vibration and their spiritual thought is going to create a very big impact in our life, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. The person the personal contact of Mahatmas is a blessing in reality. for worldly person. So here Swami Shivananda is telling the personally contact of the Mahatma is a very big blessing for the is really a very big blessing, friends. Okay, because whatever blessing we are going to get, it is going to definitely benefit on our life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Shivananda is telling to us in this topic. Service of saint purifies the mind of passionate men rapidly. So here Swami Shivananda is telling the service of the saint completely purifies the mind of the passionate man. So if we are passionate man, our mind is going to, if we are indulged with passion, so our mind is going to easily get purified by meeting and giving service to saint, by doing seva to the saint, right? By pleasing the saints, right? Satsanga elevates the mind to the magnanimous height. So here Swami Shivananda is telling Satsanga elevates our mind to the next level, to the magnanimous height. Just as a single matchstick burns huge bundle of cotton in a few seconds. So here Swami Shivananda is telling as a single matchstick can burn a few bundle of cotton just in a few seconds. So also the company of saint burn all ignorance, all thought and all sanskara of passion, evil action within in a short time. So this is a very important statement, friends. Okay. So here Swami Shivananda is telling as in a very short period of time our even a bundle, just a single matches can burn a single matchstick can burn a complete cotton bundle of cotton. In the same way, meeting saint for the short time also can even burn our all negative sanskara in our life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Shivananda is telling to us in this topic. This is the reason why sanskara and other have spoken so highly to satsanga in all their book. So this is the reason why all saints speak about sanskara in all other book, friends. Okay, so this Swami Shivananda is telling to us in this topic. If you cannot get good satsanga in your own place, you can visit place of pilgrimage like Rishikesh, Banaras, Nasik, Prayag, Haridwar, etc. So yes, Swami Shivananda is telling that if we cannot get if we cannot get the good satsanga in our place, then we should visit the pilgrimage like Rishikesh, Banaras, Nasik, Prayag, and Haridwar, friends. Okay, so this Swami Shivananda is telling to us in this topic. A study of books written by a released person will also be tanmount to satsanga. So yes, Swami Shivananda is telling that the study of this book written by religious person is going to easily be tanmount by the satsanga, friends. Okay, the only potent specific of inducing burning vairagya and desire for liberation is satsanga. So yes, Swami Shivananda is telling the only way to easily burn our all bad karma is satsanga, friends. Okay, so friends, today's topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I have covered the concept called glory of satsanga, friends. Okay, so this topic. In our next topic, I am going to cover the concept called how to avert the sexual intoxication, from this topic, friends. Okay, uh, so friends, this topic came to an end, I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friend. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.